Hey everyone! Managing multiple boards within a single project or pulling multiple projects into one board is the ultimate way to maintain a bird's eye view of your workflow. This setup allows you to track progress across different teams without the constant friction of switching tabs. Step 1. Navigate to the Board Creation Hub. We are starting with the global navigation. We do this because to create a new board that pulls from existing data, you need to access the broad Boards directory rather than just the project sidebar. From your main Jira dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on your space and then navigate to Boards. Click the Create button. This opens the wizard where you define the architecture of your new view. Step 2. Choose your workflow type. Now we are moving to methodology selection. We do this because Jira needs to know if this board will manage a Scrum sprint or a continuous Kanban flow. Choose between Scrum or Kanban. Use Scrum if you plan to work in timed intervals, sprints. Use Kanban if you want a continuous flow of tasks through columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Step 3. Link multiple projects or filters. This is the most critical step for cross-team visibility. Instead of limiting the board to one project, you are creating a master view that aggregates data from wherever you choose. When Jira asks you to select a project, you can select more than one project from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, select Board from an existing saved filter. This allows you to use a complex JQL filter like project IN equals alpha, beta, gamma to populate your board. This creates a unified space where issues from Project A sit right next to Project B, allowing for seamless drag and drop prioritization. Step 4. Operational execution. Once the board is live, it functions as a single source of truth for all included projects. You can now drag and drop tasks between columns to update statuses across all connected projects simultaneously. If you need to refine the data, click an issue and use the three-dot menu to edit or delete. Just be careful, since you're in a multi-project view, changes here affect the original project directly. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.